Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand different string related functions. Let's open code blocks. Now here we will start with the file and new empty file. Let's write down first some header file which are very much important, stdio.h and hash include string.h, as we are using string related function. So string.h is a header file which is a library of C string related inbuilt function. Now here first of all let's declare one string by using character, and I'll give the name of that string as string1. So I'm using string1 as a name. So here let's put string1 and let's not give any size, and here I'm going to put the result or the content as a modify this to lowercase. So if I want to modify this whole string content to lowercase sentence case, then I'm going to use one string related function, that is nothing but strlwr, and in line I'm going to print the result in a printf function. So let's see how to make it. So I'm using printf function, and inside that I'm gonna declare a placeholder first of all, that is %s, and then I'm going to put a /n which is a new line character, and comma I'm going to use strlwr string lowercase in bracket string1. So this is the thing I'm going to make it in a lowercase. Whole thing we can put inside the integer main function. So here you can see or you can observe I have declared a string inside integer main function. So here you can put this whole thing, as I said, inside the integer main function. So declaration and using a function that has all done inside the integer main function. In some normal cases we used to declare the string before the starting of integer main function. Here we can declare that, but right now I have declared the string as well as in line I have used a function with the printf function, and we are putting return 0. This way, let's see. First of all, we will save this file as lower.c and let's see what happens. So build this. Okay, so I have written the spelling as return 0. Let's build it again. Okay, so build is finished with 0 error. Let's run it. So as you can see, I have written m as in a uppercase way, t as in uppercase way, but here all those things are in a lowercase way. Again we can use the same thing for making the whole string in uppercase way. So I'm going to copy this data and I'm pasting this again by using a string2 function. So string2 is a function here I'm going to use as a strupr. As you can see, I have done here lowercase. Now I am doing the whole statement in uppercase. So just modify our string content also to uppercase. So here you can see this 2 or uppercase is all written in a lowercase. Now let's just build and run and check. So here you can see all the string that has converted to the uppercase manner, as you can see here, but it is written as a lowercase. Let's check it out. Yes, here you have to give string2. Now build and run. Yes, the same string that has converted to the uppercase way. Now let's understand one more function to reverse the string content. Now here we are going to again declare one string. Let's declare character name. Let's give some size to it and just give the content as a hello. Now hello I am giving a content for my new string. Now here I am going to reverse the string, but before that we could write one printf function. As to understand the output in a proper way, I'll use printf function for 2 times. For first time I'll write string before reversing. How it will be look like string before reversing. So I'm gonna print the same string before reversing by giving %s/n, and here I'm giving the name string, that is the declared string. So it is the same string which we have declared, but right now I'll use the function that is reversing of string, that is nothing but strrev. But here I am modifying my printf statement because this is the result of a reversing of string. So string after reversing I am going to write. So string after reversing, here also %s, but here I am going to use a function strrev, and inside that I am going to give the string whichever I want to reverse, that is my name string. So this is my result statement. So let's build and run and check again. So as you can see here, string before reversing is hello, but after reversing it becomes OLLEH, that means a complete reversed way of spelling of hello. So here we have understand the strlwr to convert the content into lowercase, strupr to convert it into uppercase, and how to reverse the given string. Here we have declared the string. In sometimes you can also ask the string to enter by the user. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.